This is a 57 card PSA order reveal. I just got back in the mail this week. Submitted November 14th, almost a year ago. 57 cards, $12 a card. I'm just gonna get right into it. First one is a Ken Griffey Jr., 89 tops traded, PSA 9. That's what I expected on that. Second one, not really what I expected out of this Dion. An EX Mint 6, which I can see absolutely nothing wrong with. Corners look sharp, back center's a little off. I don't see anything on the surface, no print defects on this. So, a little baffled, especially considering that this one came back a 10. And side by side, they look identical. In fact, the 6 actually looks slightly better to me with the print resolution. So I'm completely baffled by that one. Fortunately, that was the worst grade of this entire order. Next one's 2013 Topps Trout Rookie Cup, Gem 10. Another Gem 10 there. Chrome version of that. Very sharp looking card. Looks like maybe some surface scratches on this one. Came back in 8. Mike Trout opening day 2014. Mint 9. '92 Topps Gold Jordan. Not a bad grade on that card. Was hoping for a 10. And I'm not really sure the separation on this one, but the next one pulled a 7. And this also looks like a very clean card. This one might have a corner issue, but other than that, the surface looked pretty clean. Got another 9 here. One of these has a print line on the back that you can very hardly discern unless you really look for it. 96 Topps 8. Finally pulled a 10. Been looking for this card for a while. They're actually very hard on these early Topps cards, the paper cards. The graders, in my opinion, on the past couple orders seem to favor the newer Prism stock way easier than these old paper cards. It's one of my favorite 90s era Jordans. Very delicate paper card stock here. Very hard to pull a 10 in this. Likewise, this 90 Fleer. These cards are very common, but very low pop on the 10s for the percentage that has been sent in. I actually lucked out pretty well on these next 3 cards. 96 Premium Kobe Rookie. We got a 10, a 10, and a 10. This card goes for around 900 in a 10 right now. 2002 Finest Kobe 10. It's a solid card right there. 2003 9. 2004 Finest 10. 2005 Chrome. Man, they hit me hard on this one. I love that pose. Now, the 2009 Topps. I've never had great luck with grades on this set. Seems like they'll always find something. This, I seem to notice maybe a couple surface pin impressions. I think it might have been on the back of this one, but to find one that has no whiting on the back, which there's a little bit of white here, a little bit here, is pretty rare on these. And even when you do find them without white on the back, then typically there's something else that they'll find on these. Got a 7 there, an 8 there, and an 8 on this LeBron. Little white there. I did pretty well on these next 3 cards, all the same. Curry Rookie Gem 10, Upper Deck. I guess they seem to like Upper Deck. This one, definitely keeper for me because of the serial, Curry's jersey number. I love that one. One more. All sequential numbers on those. This is one of my favorite sets, 2009 Bowman. Gem 10, Bill Russell. And that's a pretty low pop card. First edition gold Harden rookie. Not a bad grade for that. It does look sharp though. I don't know why that's not a 10. First edition gold LeBron. Also very sharp. 2012, past and present, Jimmy Butler rookie. Gem. 2012, Prism, first year, Vince Carter. 9. And a gem. One more gem on that. It's not a high dollar card, but people are marketing this as the Prism rookie set. Hey, darling. Nice Kobe 8. a good grade on that. Select. Bella, you want to be up here? I'm not disappointed in that grade. Hey, boo. Hey, bugaboo. Can you let me finish this video? Huh? We got some pretty good curry grades here. Not gonna lie. 2013 Select Gem. Bella, you competing, huh? Compete for the camera? This is the redback version. This Hoops, which is a rare version. I don't know what the pop is on this, but it's pretty low. It's a nice card for the collection. Lillard Gold Rookie. It's a nice card, really open for a 10 on this one. I opened up a bunch of packs looking for these cards. 2013 Hoops, looking for these in the Giannis rookies. This is a beauty. You get it's probably hard to pick up on the camera, but the shimmer on this one is really nice. It's a regular version, base version. Select Mint. It is a nice card right here. Jersey number. And I think that little impression right there is what gave this a 9. Cool card though. I'll take a mint 9, jersey number Steph. It's a bad time to land some great Kyrie grades, but I got 2 back-to-back jersey numbers on these. Rookie, 2 out of 10, gem. Similar card. Actually, no, this is the same number. 2 out of 25. Wrapping up the order here, we got a Kaepernick rookie refractor, mint 9. It's a pretty card. (2005) Brady Chrome. (2008) Chrome. Another 08. gem. (2011) gem. I actually just bought another copy of this online a couple weeks ago. 2012 mint. And the last card that they did not slab for me, because I requested minimum grade of a 9, I think. What is this? Absolute Materials, Tools of the Trade, Staff Game East Jersey. Second year. Jersey number. I guess they wanted to give this a 7 or an 8. But they probably, going on the grades of this order, would have maybe wanted to give this a 5 or a 6. Anyway, that's the order. Thanks for watching.